Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture black and white in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to make the picture black and white. At first, insert the image. Go to the insert menu. Select picture option, choose this device. Now I am select a image from our file and click insert. Now we can see here a image. Now we want to make the picture black and white. Go to the picture format menu and select the color option. We can see here many color. Now I am select the black and white color. We can see here the gray or the black and white. Now I am select this color. Otherwise you can make the another option, select the correction and correction the brightness or contrast. Now we can see we make a picture black and white in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.